Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then go to the keyboard and input methods, Gboard, text correction. And here you have autocorrection feature, and you can just switch it like this. Like disable if you don't need it, enable it because it's quite useful. I don't know. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.